Hello, my name is Desmond. In today's connected world, data is in abundance and is being generated by people using mobile phones, social media, fitness trackers, and more. The data is typically a bunch of numbers and letters which are collected and stored. Now, the raw data is very difficult for people to comprehend and draw insights from. Managers and executives in organizations are typically looking for ways to make some sense of your data. These tools allow you to create interactive visualizations, comprehensive reports, and informative dashboards. Throughout the instructor-led course, you will learn how to create charts and graphs, applying filtering mechanisms, styles, and formatting, how to derive insights from real-world data. With us, you will start with Excel and learn the basics of visualization, progressing on to move to advanced reports, dashboards on Power BI. Learning these tools will help you on your journey on becoming a data analyst or business analyst. Join us today to find out more. Visit our website